Welcome back to Cooking in Your Hotel Bathroom. For fans of the show, I don't have to explain how any of this works. This is a birthday edition, so I'm making Magnolia Bakery's banana pudding. A can of condensed milk and half a can of water and a pack of Jello pudding. Whipped cream. Took fucking forever. Cut a banana in a way that won't trigger people. And when you got a pile, throw cookies in that pile. You're supposed to use Nilla wafers, but they don't have them in Canada. So I use these biscuits. Mix it up however your heart desires. It's my birthday, so fuck off. For a side snack, I'm doing lemon popcorn. So make popcorn, cut up a lemon. Add the lemon to the popcorn. And what the hell, squeeze in the juice. Birthday snack, here it is. Lemon popcorn with banana pudding. Salty and sour, real lemon flavor, This isn't like a make it every time, but like if you're sick of popcorn, if you're sick of not eating banana pudding. Holy crap, those biscuits, those cookies have a little bit of a lemony undertone. I don't know. Hey, it's good. Happy birthday!